So welcome back to Just Drive It. Since we did this on the other vehicle, I'm going to see if we can do this on this vehicle with the exhaust manifold still on. What is this? Well, headers, baby. Come along with us. Well, from the look of it, I don't even have to take in really do much, because with that power steering in there, that poly, even on the C-body, is so dang close. Ooh, I didn't notice that that wasn't hooked up. That's gonna have to be done. You can see it right in there. Let's see if we can zoom in. That's not hooked up. Oh well, we can still do something about that. So I have a feeling that would work on this side, except that oil filter is in a weird spot. This needs to be hooked up a little bit better, and we still need to hook up wires, but I know they say you can do it, but dadgum, that's not even hooked up at all either. We'll have to see. Well, we're starting with the shorties again. And even just seeing this like this, yeah, that ain't gonna fit. 65 through 73. Now there may be something that would, but these are stainless, and I can't lop anything off and re-weld it myself. Back to the Fox body shorty, and we're in the same boat. It'll make contact where the control arm and everything goes here, so this is going to be interesting. It would have to be a highly modified set of headers, and you see how tight it is down in there with the torsion bar and the oil filter. Now granted, a Ford normally has a starter over here, but that filter don't give you very much room either, and there's not really much room back there where the exhaust pipe is already. So we'll see. Just another thing, as you see, your starter is on the Dodge over here. We had a discussion the other day about that with Jason Falk. He seems to think that because the original old style starter buttons used to be on this side of the vehicle, that maybe that's why they're like that. But with the headers that I've got, no, not gonna fit with the power steering and torsion bars and everything else where they're at. So just drive it. Does this mean that we're giving up on this car? No. In fact, we may end up having to build our own headers and using a MIG welder. I know they say that that's not necessarily the best, but we're trying to do everything that we do on this car on a low budget. Now there will be a few things that we have to get that are not going to be low budget, such as the hood, such as another deck lid, such as a rear windshield. We'll pay what we have to pay to get it back together to be a complete car, but everything else we're going to try to go low budget. This is for my dad. I also still going to have to get a front bumper, but we'll get there too on that. It's just one step at a time. We do have one grill eyebrow. We'll get another one for there. Hope you're enjoying the content. Sorry there wasn't much to it except to show you, hey, it didn't work. But like if you're on YouTube, comment, subscribe, Rumble if you're on Rumble. But more importantly, check out the guys on the YouTube, the guys who are doing the No Name 500 on their stuff. They're the guys trying to get their 500 subs for the No Name National so they can qualify and go have fun with the rest of us. So if you think about it, give them a like. Check out their videos if you like them. So if not, no harm, no foul. You'll have a good day. Just drive it.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. got my